Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to clean our coins. In the first part of this video we will use easy ingredients you can find at home. In the last part we will use a special chemical with a special reactivity. So I hope you will enjoy this video. We will learn also how to gain this kind of coin. We will learn how to respect our money more, just cleaning them. And hopefully we will get more rich by that. I hope. why do the coins behave like that? First of all, we need to know that 1 to 5 cent euro coins and similar non-euro coins are made up of 95% of steel, and they have the outer layer of copper. The copper is only 5% of the coin. However, this is enough to give the reddish look to the coin. We know that coins tend to blacken over time. How does it happen? Well, let's look at that through a magnifying glass. This is the outer part of our coin. Therefore, this is the copper plating. The copper tends to react over the time when coming into contact with the oxygen of the air. A redox reaction occurs to form a new compound that is the copper 2 oxide. In this reaction, copper loses its electrons and gives electrons to the oxygen. The new formed compound is the copper 2 oxide, which is known to be a black solid. This is the reason why our coins get black. So over the time, our coin will blacken due to the formation and deposition of this black copper oxide on the surface of the coin. But what is going to happen when we put a coin into acid? First of all, the simplest definition of acid is that acid is a substance made up of H plus and A minus ions. And acid is a substance that releases H plus ions, so hydrogen ions, in solution. So this is our coin in acid. We have said that acid tends to dissociate in H plus and A minus. It's this dissociation of the acid that indeed will act on the layer of copper 2 oxide. In more detail, the hydrogen cation will react with the oxygen to form water, while the copper reacts with the counteranion of the acid to form a new compound. Therefore, the layer of the black copper oxide will dissolve over the time. Our coin will be clean when all the copper oxide reacts with the acid. In our first experiment, we have used the juice lemon. In the juice lemon, there is the citric acid. Citric acid reacts with the copper 2 oxide to form copper citrate. In our second experiment, we have used white wine vinegar. The wine vinegar contains acetic acid, which reacts with copper 2 oxide to give copper acetate. However, this reaction is much slower, both because acetic acid is the weakest acid we have used, and because it has a low concentration in the vinegar. In the last experiment, we have used strong sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid reacts with copper 2 oxide to form copper sulfate. We have seen that this acid reacts quite quickly with copper oxide. This is due to 2 reasons. First, sulfuric acid is very strong, and second, we have used a highly concentrated solution. So, this is the scientific explanation of our experiment.